Well, happy birthday to me. Last night I ordered some new wheels, so those should be here tomorrow, and we'll get to unboxing them and get them installed. And they should be, I think it's about 8 pounds lighter per wheel. So hopefully that'll make the truck a little bit quicker and make it handle a little bit better and ride a little bit better. Not that it's slow or rides bad or handles bad, but a little bit of a weight advantage in our court, and see how it does. Stay tuned. I intended to record a bunch of videos and then I just got excited and didn't, so bear with me. So as you recall, these are my wheels that I have on the truck. They're chrome 0102 Lightning Replicas 20-inch wheels. I still like the wheel, they're just kind of heavy. So these are the new wheels I bought, and they are 0304 Lightning wheels in 20-inch non-chrome, just painted wheel, painted alloy. I got them mounted and went for a drive. I put Nitto NTO5s. I thought they may be sticky enough, 275, 35, 20, and they were not sticky enough. So then that evolved into me ordering, $700 worth of tires. And I now have two Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3 tires, which is a factory tire for a new Camaro SS. And of course, the day that I bring my truck to install my summer performance tires, it's raining. So that's awesome. And it's one of the stickiest street tires you can buy. And so we're going to give those a go. And so here's a couple pictures of those, comparison pictures of them getting mounted up. And they're 285, 35, 20, so they're a tiny bit wider, about 10 mils wider. And hopefully they'll do nicely for me. So that's where I'm at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.